In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube Shorts in bulk using ChatGPT, Canva, and a simple spreadsheet. If you want to make a lot of short form videos faster, this workflow is a great way to save time and stay consistent. The idea is to let ChatGPT help you come up with content, organize everything in a spreadsheet, and then use Canva's bulk tools to turn that content into multiple vertical videos automatically. Start by opening ChatGPT and choosing a specific shorts topic or niche. This part matters because the more focused your niche is, the easier it becomes to create repeatable content that feels consistent. For example, you might choose trivia, motivational quotes, fun facts, or quick educational content. Once you know your direction, ask ChatGPT to generate a large batch of short video scripts or quiz items based on that niche. Keep your prompt clear so the output stays short, punchy, and suited for vertical video. Next, take the scripts ChatGPT gives you and place them into a spreadsheet. This helps you keep everything organized and makes the next part much easier. Each row can represent one video, and each column can hold the text elements you want Canva to pull into your design. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review the text for clarity, length, and consistency, so your final videos look polished. After that, open Canva and choose a vertical video template that fits the style of YouTube Shorts. Look for something clean, readable, and visually engaging. Since these videos are short, your text needs to be easy to read quickly, especially on mobile devices. Once your template is ready, use Canva's bulk create feature to connect your spreadsheet. This is the step that allows Canva to automatically pull in the text from each row and apply it to your design. Then generate your shorts in bulk. Instead of building each video one by one, Canva will create multiple versions based on the spreadsheet data, which is where the real time savings happen. After the videos are generated, go through them and add music, adjust the timing, include animations, and turn on captions if needed. These finishing touches make a big difference in retention and overall quality. Finally, export the videos and upload them to YouTube Shorts. Once everything is rendered and ready, you'll have a batch of content prepared for posting. This is a simple and scalable way to create more shorts in less time while keeping your workflow organized and efficient.